Gray gets to fire first inside the start box. Brewster looks him over, green lights are on, and we're racing. Oh, and Jacobus is upside down. Vicious roll in turn number 1. And I think that's Panizak with him. Red lights are on. They made contact right here on the front stretch, just past the rooster. And Jacobus got some big-time air. Safety crews immediately on the scene. Drivers are okay in turn number 1. Thank goodness for that. And you see Jacobus, he caught the right rear tire of Gray, and then Jacobus upside down in a big way.